The Servants of India Society, established in 1905, was founded by which leader? Option A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option B, Lala Lajpat Rai. Option C, Bipin Chandra Pal. Option D, Atmaram Pandurang. Correct answer. Option A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which of the following is not a viral disease? Option A, hepatitis A. Option B, measles. Option C, common cold. Option D, typhoid. Correct answer. Option D, typhoid. The new Income Tax Bill 2025 will replace the existing Income Tax Act of 1961, is effective from which financial year? Option A, 2025. Option B, 2026. Option C, 2027. Option D, 2028. Correct answer. Option B, 2026. Which state is famous for celebrating the Losar festival, with traditional food and dances? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Punjab. Option C, Assam. Option D, Rajasthan. Correct answer. Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. As per Article 76 of the Indian Constitution, who has the right of audience in all courts in India? Option A, Chief Justice of India. Option B, President. Option C, Attorney General of India. Option D, Law Secretary. Correct answer. Option C, Attorney General of India. What is the chemical formula for heavy water? Option A, H2O. Option B, D2O. Option C, H2O2. Option D, D2O2. Correct answer. Option B, D2O. Which Mughal emperor was famous for his love and patronage of painting? Option A, Aurangzeb. Option B, Humayun. Option C, Jahangir. Option D, Shah Jahan. Correct answer. Option C, Jahangir. Etikopaka toys, which are famous for their traditional wooden craftsmanship and natural dyes, originate from which Indian state? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which company is developing Project Kuiper, a low Earth orbit satellite broadband network, aimed at providing global internet coverage? Option A, SpaceX. Option B, Google. Option C, Microsoft. Option D, Amazon. Correct answer. Option D, Amazon. Who wrote the Bengali play, Nil Darpan, that highlights the exploitation of indigo farmers? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Option B, Dinabandhu Mitra. Option C, Girish Chandra Ghosh. Option D, Dwijendralal Ray. Correct answer. Option B, Dinabandhu Mitra. Which of the following is the longest tributary of the Indus River? Option A, Sutlej River. Option B, Ravi River. Option C, Chenab River. Option D, Jhelum River. Correct answer. Option A, Sutlej River. Which tiger reserve in Odisha became the state's second national park, and India's 107th national park in 2025? Option A, Similipal Tiger Reserve. Option B, Satkoja Tiger Reserve. Option C, Kawal Tiger Reserve. Option D, Kali Tiger Reserve. Correct answer. Option A, Similipal Tiger Reserve. Harappan seals were primarily made of which type of stone? Option A, dolomite. Option B, laterite. Option C, quartzite. Option D, steatite. Correct answer. Option D, steatite. The world's first humanoid robot, half marathon, took place in which city? Option A, Tokyo, Japan. Option B, Beijing, China. Option C, Seoul, South Korea. Option D, Moscow, Russia. Correct answer. Option B, Beijing, China. Which Indian state has recorded the highest number of enrollments under the Atal Pension Yojana, with over 1.20 crore registrations as of April 2025? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, West Bengal. Correct answer. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Who called the preamble of the Indian Constitution the identity card of the Constitution? Option A, B.R. Ambedkar. Option B, K.M. Munshi. Option C, N.A. Palkhiwala. Option D, Thakurdas Bhargava. Correct answer. Option C, N.A. Palkhiwala. What financial term refers to the overall value of an individual's or company's assets after all debts have been paid? Option A, net worth. Option B, revenue. Option C, gross profit. Option D, net income. Correct answer. Option A, net worth. Which of the following is a multi-barrel rocket launcher system developed by India's DRDO? Option A, Agni. Option B, BrahMos. Option C, Prithvi. Option D, Pinaka. Correct answer. Option D, Pinaka. Sansad Khel Mahakumbh 2025, a 4-day sporting festival, featuring athletics, volleyball, kabaddi, and more, was organized in which Indian city? Option A, Hyderabad. Option B, Ranchi. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Lucknow. Correct answer. Option D, Lucknow. What initiative has been launched by the Indian government to create a comprehensive database of migrant laborers, street vendors, and domestic workers? Option A, Karmayogi. Option B, Ashram. Option C, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Option D, Unified Shram Suvidha. Correct answer. Option B, Ishram. Who received the Gurudev Kalacharan Brahma Award in 2025 for outstanding contributions to education and social empowerment? Option A, Bhupen Hazarika. Option B, Achyuta Samanta. Option C, Pramod Boro. Option D, Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Correct answer. Option B, Achyuta Samanta. What does the term ace mean in tennis? Option A, a legal serve that the opponent cannot touch. Option B, a double fault. Option C, winning a set 6-0. Option D, a shot that lands outside the court. Correct answer. Option A, a legal serve that the opponent cannot touch. Which of the following airports became the first in Asia to achieve Level 5 accreditation under ACI's Airport Carbon Accreditation Program? Option A, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. Option C, Kempegowda International Airport. Option D, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Correct answer. Option C, Kempegowda International Airport. What was the theme of the 4th annual Goldhouse Gold Gala, held in Los Angeles in 2025? Option A, First Light. Option B, Golden Horizon. Option C, Rising Sun. Option D, Twilight Glow. Correct answer. Option A, First Light. Which country has the largest land area in the world? Option A, Canada. Option B, China. Option C, India. Option D, Russia. Correct answer. Option D, Russia.